Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix the Minecraft error Getsockopt. Some users have reported this error message when attempting to connect to Minecraft servers. This error typically indicates a problem with your internet connection or a program interfering with Minecraft's access to the internet. First, we need to ensure that your firewall is not blocking Minecraft. Navigate to your firewall settings. Look for any rules or exceptions related to Minecraft. Ensure that Minecraft is allowed to communicate through your firewall, both inbound and outbound. The next step is to update Java. An outdated Java version can sometimes cause conflicts. Go to the official Java website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Run the installer to update Java to the latest version. Thirdly, temporarily disable your antivirus or anti-malware software. These security programs, while important, can sometimes interfere with legitimate applications like Minecraft. Once disabled, attempt to connect to a Minecraft server. If the error is resolved, you'll need to configure your antivirus or anti-malware software to add an exception for Minecraft. If the error persists, we can try resetting your Minecraft network settings. Open your Minecraft launcher. Go to Options or Settings and look for Network Settings. Click on Reset or Restore Defaults to reset your Minecraft network settings to their default values. If the problem still exists, we can try to delete the existing Minecraft launcher and download a fresh one. Go to your computer's programs and features or applications depending on your operating system, find the Minecraft launcher and uninstall it. Once uninstalled, go to the official Minecraft website and download a fresh copy of the Minecraft launcher. If none of the above solutions work, you may need to perform a complete Minecraft reinstall. Go to your computer's add or remove programs or applications settings, locate Minecraft and choose the uninstall option. After uninstalling, make sure to delete the Minecraft folder located in your user profile directory. This will ensure a clean uninstall. Once the uninstallation is complete, visit the official Minecraft website to download and reinstall Minecraft. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.